Now, so many of the tech stocks in 2021 did not do as many people or as many retail investors expected, simply because there were so many things just happening around 2021. There was the pandemic, there was the rapid rise of interest, which we saw along the year, which sort of like made these kind of growth stocks, or most of the growth stocks, not to perform in terms of the share price as many investors wanted. But I must say that this year in 2022, so many analysts or so many big financial institutions are really becoming so much bullish on so many growth stocks out there. There are so many stocks that these analysts are projecting in some of the stocks 100% of in share price increase this year of 2022, which is something that is incredible. Now, with talking of so many analysts and big financial institutions, just yesterday I read an article from Bloomberg, which had the top 50 companies to watch in the stock market in 2022, and I'm very glad to see that on that list were the two companies that we talk a lot about on this channel, and those companies go by the name of NIO and SoFi. So NIO and SoFi are some of the companies that were featured on that list in terms of the stocks to watch out for in 2022. So these two stocks, even me, I personally believe that they will have a wonderful year due to the developments that are expected to unfold during the year. I mean, I've spoken a lot about the developments that we can expect from the two stocks that can make it possible for their share price to rise, which it does not surprise me to see these kind of stocks making it to the top 50 companies of Bloomberg of stocks you can watch out for in 2022. So this to me was great news, or this to me was wonderful news, because it confirmed the very same thing that I've been saying on this channel, and that is to say that these stocks will have a wonderful year. These stocks, it looks like this year is going to be a very good year for these two stocks. Now, you know that with a company like NIO, there's just so much happening this year. I mean, there is the Europe expansion that is expected to take place this year, where NIO will be, or we might see NIO establishing or launching itself in 5 more European countries just this year, which is something that is incredible, because with this just means, or it tells us, that we can expect NIO to reach out to even more people, or we can expect more people to be able to buy these NIO cars, which is something that is truly amazing, because this will also boost the sales that this NIO company is generating, because the more people you are able to reach, the more money you'll make. And with a company like NIO, so many of the people around the world are patiently waiting for NIO to get to their country so that they can buy these good, big and beautiful luxurious cars that they sell. Now, that's not the only list which I think NIO was featured in Bloomberg 50 companies to watch in 22. Another thing, or other things that I believe they made it to Bloomberg's list, are things like the upcoming ET7, which is expected to start with sales, or which NIO plans to start selling end of March of 2022. Also the upcoming ET5 model, which, by the way, its pre-orders has surpassed all the previous model that NIO has ever sold, which is expected to start selling around September of 2022. And otherwise, the third news, which I think is the one that made NIO to be featured in this Bloomberg article, is simply because of the fact that we can expect a new model, or another model that NIO might be delivering end of this year, or might start with the sales or selling that car end of this year. And that model is the ES7. And now the ES7, you remember that there have been sneak peeks here and there of it trending on social media, indicating that this might be the model that NIO plans to unveil. which is something that is truly amazing. So these are the developments which I think made NIO to be featured on that list. Now, as for SoFi Technologies, you remember that SoFi Technologies is also a very good company, and this is a company that is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking, which is what's making SoFi to be one of those interesting investments or interesting companies that one can invest in. So the thing which I think made SoFi Technologies to be featured in that 50 companies to watch out in 2022 from Bloomberg is simply because of their banking chatter. You will know that banking chatter is one of the things that will unlock so many doors for SoFi. Banking chatter approval, which by the way, I think it is expected to come around the Q2 of 2022, is one of the things that will open so many doors for SoFi, because with the banking chatter, they're able to reach a wide range of consumers or customers, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, SoFi Technology, if you check their earnings results, you'll notice that if you check the number of clients or number of membership growth, you will see that this is a company that's doing well. This is the company that continues to grow, or this is a company that we continue seeing more consumers or more customers coming in to join this SoFi Technologies platform, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, this is something that I believe we are going to see even in the years to come, because why? SoFi Technologies, guys, it is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital bank, because so many of the consumers can do a wide range of things from only one platform, and it is rare out there for you to find a bank that can offer you almost everything relating to digital banking. Now, this SoFi, or what makes SoFi to be unique, is because they offer a wide range of services from their one platform. Consumers can save, invest, spend, trade, and borrow, which is something that is truly amazing, and is the one that makes me want to think that its products and services that it offers are going to be in demand even in the years to come. So both these two stocks, Wall Street is very bullish on these two stocks. In fact, Wall Street, their price target, I think, on SoFi is over $28 dollars per stock or per share, which is something that is incredible. Whilst on NIO, Wall Street price target, it's over $60 per stock, which you can see that it's good returns, especially when we check or see where these two companies are currently trading at. So these two companies are offering some good opportunities to investors, and it brings greater joy to a person like myself, seeing that these two stocks were also featured by Bloomberg as on the companies, or on the 50 companies to watch out in 2022. This is something that is truly amazing, and it has to motivate you to stay long or to load the boat on these two companies. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any YouTube video we release on this channel. Otherwise, please remember that this video was just for entertainment purposes, and if you seek professional financial advice, you need to do the right thing and go consult the professionals. Otherwise, for you to be comfortable investing into these two stocks, don't forget that you need to also do your own due diligence and make sure that you know exactly some of the things that are happening around this company, which makes them a good opportunity for you to go in and buy these companies. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.